Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Suno AI referral rewards. For that, go to browser and search this website which is called jackcreators.com, and if you scroll down, you can see Suno AI referral program, earn free credit for AI music. So they have written a blog about this referral program. So how Suno referral program work? The newly released referral program from Suno is very simple and rewarding. Here is a breakdown of how it works. First, invite friend. Share your personal invite link with your friend and follow content creators or anyone interested in using an AI to make music. So use this link and you can just invite them. Now next way is create 10 songs. Once your friend signs up and create 10 songs on Suno, both you and your friend will receive a 250 free credits. Now the max credit. You can refer as many friends as you like, but there is a limit of 2,500 free credit per person. That means you can earn credits up to like 10 friends. So why you should choose or use this referral program? Because Suno referral program is more than just a way to earn credit, it's just a way to enhance your AI music creation process, allowing you to boost your content production. So free credit means more AI generated song for your videos, podcast, and any content you create. Then you can collaborate with friends. AI music creation is better with friends. So invite others to Suno and build a shared creative network for feedback and collaboration. Next, stretch your budget. So free credits allow you to experiment and create more music without additional cost, and which is ideal for creator scaling their output. Now, here's how to maximize your credit with a strategy. You have to reach out to fellow creators. You can leverage your social media. Just post your link with a short and show how Suno help you to generate tracks. Then you can email your audience. You can also feature the program in your content. And lastly, you can collaborate with others. So here's what you can do with this 2,500 credits. So by referring up to like 10 friends, you can earn 2,500 credit, which is giving you the freedom to create significantly more content. So use those credit to create a full album of AI music, enhance your YouTube channel or podcast, and you can also offer custom music to clients. So that's it. You got the answer how to just get started with Suno AI referral program. That's it for this video. If this video helped you out, then like this video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.